The music industry is like a vast sky full of stars shining bright. It's full of opportunities waiting for anyone to grab. To some artists, the industry is a battlefield where they fight for every chance to sparkle, but to some, it's a huge opportunity to bring them out of the darkness they experience. A great example of that is Eminem. His real name is Marshall Bruce Mathers III, and he was born on October 17, 1972, in St. Joseph, Missouri. He spent most of his childhood in Detroit, Michigan, facing numerous challenges and struggles that would later influence his music. As a child, Eminem's mother raised him. Her name is Deborah Mathers, and she struggled with addiction and mental illness. He often moved around and changed schools, which made it difficult for him to form lasting friendships. Eminem has spoken about being bullied and ostracized at school because of his race and economic background. Despite these challenges, Eminem developed a love for rap music at a young age. Artists like Run DMC, LL Cool J, and the Beastie Boys heavily influenced him, and he began writing his rhymes when he was just a teenager. He often participated in rap battles and performed at local clubs and venues. Today, let's learn more about Eminem, his lifestyle, his net worth, and more. But before that, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Eminem's big break came in 1997 when Dr. Dre discovered him. Dr. Dre is a legendary producer and rapper. Dr. Dre was impressed by Eminem's talent and signed him to his record label, Aftermath Entertainment. Eminem's first major release was the album The Slim Shady LP in 1999, which was a commercial and critical success. Eminem's music was controversial, with many critics and listeners questioning his use of offensive language and graphic imagery. His fans appreciated his raw and honest style and ability to tackle complex topics like poverty, addiction, and mental health. Eminem has amassed a significant fortune throughout his career as a successful artist. He has used some of that wealth to purchase several properties, including several impressive mansions. One of Eminem's most notable homes is in Rochester Hills, Michigan, just outside of Detroit. This massive 17,000 square foot main house has a guest house, a guardhouse, and a pool house. Since it's a millionaire's home, there's undoubtedly a swimming pool, a tennis court, and a private pond on the grounds. The main house is spread over 3 floors and includes 8 bedrooms and 9.5 bathrooms. It also features many impressive design elements such as a grand staircase, a 2-story foyer, and a large marble fireplace. The home also has a custom-built movie theater, a gym, and a recording studio, which Eminem used to record some of his most famous albums. Another of Eminem's remarkable properties is located in Clinton Township, Michigan. This 5,700 square foot mansion sits on a 5-acre lot and includes 4 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. The property features high-end amenities, including a private lake, a swimming pool, and a hot tub. There's also a detached garage with space for up to 4 cars. In addition to these properties, Eminem also owns several other homes in Michigan and elsewhere. While he has been relatively private about his real estate holdings, it is clear that he has a taste for luxury and has invested heavily in his properties over the years. Over the years, Eminem has owned several luxury cars from top brands like Aston Martin, Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. He has an Aston Martin V8 Vantage 2006. This car is worth around $60,000 and was one of Eminem's first luxury cars. He also has a Porsche 996 Turbo worth $80,000, a Porsche Carrera GT for $95,000, an Audi R8 Spider worth $110,000, a Ford GT which he got for $150,000, and many more. He's got Ferrari of different models, like the Ferrari 575M Maranello and Ferrari F430 Scudera. His collection also consists of a Porsche 911 GT3 RS 4.0, a Porsche 911 GT2 RS, and a Lamborghini Aventador, his most expensive car worth $560,000. Apart from cars, Eminem also spends his wealth on other expensive items like watches. He is particularly fond of Rolex watches and has a customized Rolex Day Date with a gold nugget bracelet. The original version of this watch costs around $25,000, but the customized version owned by Eminem would undoubtedly be much more expensive. In addition to luxury cars and watches, Eminem is also a comic book collector. He is known to be a big fan of comic books and is willing to pay a lot for rare issues like Amazing Fantasy number 15, a historical Spider-Man issue that can cost almost $500,000 depending on its condition. Eminem is widely known for his talent as a rapper and the personal struggles he has incorporated into his music. However, outside the public eye, he has always prioritized being a father to his children. Haley Jade Scott is Eminem's biological daughter from his relationship with Kimberly Ann Scott. The couple was married twice, first in 1999 and then again in 2006, but ultimately divorced in the same year. Haley has grown up to become a well-known social media personality with millions of followers on Instagram. In addition to Haley, Eminem also has two adopted children. Eminem and his ex-wife adopted Elena, his 28-year-old niece. This was due to her difficult upbringing. Stevie Lane Mathers, his other adopted child, is the biological daughter of Eminem's ex-wife, Eric Carter. Like Elena, Stevie was also adopted because she lacked a father figure. Eminem's decision to adopt his niece and his ex-wife's daughter is a testament to his commitment to being a father figure and positively impacting their lives. Sure, Eminem's romantic relationships have often been a topic of interest in the media. He has had a few high-profile relationships with celebrities over the years. One of his most well-known relationships was with Kaya Jones, a former member of the girl group Pussycat Dolls. Although the relationship didn't last, the two remained friends after the breakup. Another rumored relationship was with Mariah Carey, with whom he had a public feud for years. Eminem claimed that they had a brief relationship, while Mariah denied it. He even dedicated several songs to her and mentioned her in his lyrics, further fueling the rumors. Eminem has also been linked to actress Tara Reid and Karen Steffens, a former MTV VJ. However, the rapper has always been guarded about his personal life and rarely confirms or denies rumors about his relationships. Despite his past relationships, Eminem has been open about his trust issues and reluctance to commit to long-term relationships. He has often expressed his skepticism about love and relationships in his music, citing his own experiences as a reason for his views. Nonetheless, his dedication to being a father to his children remains unwavering. In addition to his personal and family life, Eminem is an entrepreneur with strong business acumen. He has invested in different industries, including the tech business, where he is one of the investors in the startup Maker's Place, a non-fungible token or NFT marketplace for buying and selling digital artwork and other creations. Eminem even released his collection of NFTs, which included a video that sold for $100,000. His collection raised $1.78 million in just one day of sales. Eminem is always promoting his NFTs on his social media, which reaches a large audience of over 36 million followers on Instagram. While the exact amount of Eminem's investment in Maker's Place is unknown, he was one of the angel investors at $30 million. Eminem is likely already seeing a financial return from his investment in Maker's Place, using his fame to further his business interests. Eminem also sells other products in his online stores, such as shirts printed with his album covers and CD and DVD kits. In the music business, he founded his own record label called Shady Records in 1999, which has signed contracts with big names like 50 Cent. Additionally, he has participated in advertising campaigns for brands such as Chrysler, Eminem's Chocolates, and Brisk Iced Tea, among others. Overall, Eminem has proven to be a visionary entrepreneur, using his talent, fame, and resources to invest in various industries and make a name for himself beyond the music industry. Eminem's success in the music industry is undeniable, evidenced by his numerous achievements and accolades. He has sold over 220 million albums worldwide, among the top 9 best-selling artists ever. His albums have debuted consecutively at number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart, making him the first artist to achieve this feat. Eminem's world tours have also been highly successful, contributing significantly to his earnings. In the digital realm, Eminem also has a massive following on YouTube, with over 53 million subscribers on his channel, the second most followed solo singer channel after Justin Bieber. It is estimated that Eminem earns around $20 million per year from his music, including earnings from concerts, CD sales, and streaming platforms such as Spotify. This figure can increase significantly in years when he is actively touring to promote an album, potentially approaching $30 to $50 million per year. Considering his stable 25-year career, it is estimated that Eminem's net worth is approximately $350 million minus taxes. His success in music and investments in various industries, such as the non-fungible token marketplace, demonstrate his entrepreneurial spirit and financial awareness. And that's about Eminem, one of the greatest rappers in the world. Who else would you like to feature? Let us know in the comments below. And if content like this catches your interest, stay updated by clicking the notification bell. We got more luxury videos coming for you, only here at Luxury Mindset.